Hi, this is Renee and welcome back to my channel Pretty Things. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own foil the foliage wall art. And of course I got this idea from this little brochure. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. And some of the things you're going to need, of course, it's just some foliage. You start off with some green foliage. But I went ahead and I spray painted that. This one there. Oh goodness. And then here's another one that I'm going to be using. Now you can use like any kind of spray paint you choose, but I decided to use this Rust-Oleum. Well, I actually used the silver one, as you can see, but you can use the gold because in our picture here, you can see that you have like the gold and maybe a little dark, or I guess a bronze color, and then a teal, and then the silver in the back. And so I'm going to continue showing you how I'm going to put all of this together. Now you're probably going to have to cut your foliage or the stem off that, so you want to have some wire cutters. And then I'm using this watercolor paper in the back there, and I have a picture frame. This is 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to place my foliage down here and just want to be sure that that's going to fit first. Okay, I think my paper's cut. I had to cut that, guys. And then I just want to glue this on here using a hot glue. So I'm going to just add a little hot glue. I don't think I'm going to need a lot, a little bit around the edges there. And just glue this on. Okay. And press that down. It's a little warm. I'm trying to be super careful with that. You might want to let this dry for a little bit. And so, you see how that's looking. And then I'm going to put this here in my frame. Okay, folks, that is one done there. And I apologize for the ring light reflecting on that. But I think that this is going to look absolutely precious. And I'm going to style this probably in my bathroom with some other items that have a black hue there. So let's get started on the next one. So if you want to see how it turns out, please continue watching. And we are back, and you can see how the second one turns out. I missed a little spot there with the spray paint, but I decided it had already dried, and I decided, you know what, it's going to be okay. We know it's foliage. Now, one tip, if you want to try this and recreate this, would be to maybe not use a leaf that has, or foliage that has the bulky